Welcome to our first episode where we explore the grand ideas that shape our understanding of the universe and our place within it. Today, we'll be diving into a concept that stretches the imagination, a framework that envisions the future of civilizations across the cosmos. The Kardaschev Scale. The Kardashev Scale, a theoretical framework proposed by Russian astrophysicist Nikolai Kardashev in 1964, is a way to measure the technological advancement of a civilization based on its energy consumption. Kardashev was fascinated by the idea of civilizations far more advanced than our own, and sought a method to categorize them based on their ability to harness and use energy. The scale is divided into three primary types: Type 1, Type 2, and Type 3, each representing a significant leap in a civilization's ability to harness energy. Let's embark on a journey through these stages, exploring what each one entails and how humanity might one day achieve them. Type 1 civilization. Imagine a future where humanity has mastered all the energy resources available on Earth. This is a Type I civilization, a planetary civilization. Such a society would be capable of harnessing all the energy that reaches our planet from the Sun, approximately 10 to the power of 16 watts. But how would we achieve this? The transition to a Type I civilization begins with optimizing and integrating renewable energy sources, solar, wind, geothermal, and hydropower, into a global grid. This grid would be highly efficient, with advanced energy storage systems to balance supply and demand. Innovations in nuclear fusion could provide a nearly limitless and clean energy source, bridging the gap between our current energy needs and future demands. A Type I civilization would also see the development of global governance systems, reducing conflicts over resources and enabling coordinated efforts to tackle global challenges like climate change. Urbanization would become more sustainable, with smart cities powered by advanced energy systems, and transportation would be dominated by electric and potentially even hyper-efficient magnetic levitation technologies. Communication would reach a new level, with instantaneous global connections through advanced networks. The internet would evolve into an immersive experience, connecting not just people, but also intelligent systems and even artificial consciousnesses across the planet. But this is just the beginning. The journey from a Type I to a Type 2 civilization requires us to look beyond our home planet. Type 2 civilization. As we continue our journey, imagine a civilization that can harness the total energy output of its star. This is a Type 2 civilization. The energy of an entire star, like our Sun, amounts to about 10 to the power of 26 watts, a truly astronomical amount. Achieving this would require monumental advancements in technology and engineering. One of the most intriguing concepts associated with a Type 2 civilization is the Dyson sphere, a hypothetical structure that could be built around a star to capture its energy. This could take the form of a massive swarm of solar collectors orbiting the star, each gathering sunlight and converting it into usable energy. The energy collected would then be transmitted back to the home planet or used to power vast space colonies. To build such a structure, humanity would need to master space travel and resource extraction on a scale far beyond anything we can currently imagine. Mining asteroids and other celestial bodies for materials, constructing self-replicating machines to build the Dyson sphere, and developing advanced propulsion systems for interstellar travel would all be essential steps. With the energy of a star at its disposal, a Type 2 civilization could undertake projects that seem like science fiction today. Terraforming planets within the solar system, creating artificial habitats on a massive scale, and even manipulating the orbits of planets could become feasible. The society would likely be spread across the entire solar system, with colonies on moons, planets, and possibly even within artificial space habitats. But the real leap in imagination comes when we consider the next stage, a civilization that harnesses the energy of an entire galaxy. Type 3 civilization. Now, picture a civilization that has expanded across its entire galaxy, tapping into the energy of billions of stars. This is a Type 3 civilization. The energy output of an entire galaxy, like the Milky Way, is on the order of 10 to the power of 36 watts, a number so large it's almost incomprehensible. To reach this stage, humanity would need to perfect interstellar travel, perhaps by developing technologies like warp drives, wormholes, or other methods that bend the fabric of space-time itself. Colonies would be established on planets orbiting distant stars, and these outposts would be connected by vast networks of communication and transportation spanning thousands of light years. A Type 3 civilization might use stars as energy sources through advanced versions of the Dyson sphere concept, or by extracting energy from the supermassive black hole at the center of the galaxy. Such a civilization could even manipulate entire star systems, moving them to optimize energy collection or to create megastructures on a galactic scale. At this level of advancement, the distinction between biology and technology might blur, with artificial intelligence playing a central role in managing and expanding the civilization's reach. Consciousness could be uploaded into machines, allowing beings to live for millions of years, exploring the galaxy in digital form. The possibilities at this stage are beyond our current understanding, with potential developments like the construction of massive computational structures, perhaps even using the entire galaxy as a computer. The civilization might also be able to manipulate the fundamental laws of physics, controlling space-time, gravity, and even the fabric of reality itself. So, where does humanity stand on this scale today? We are not yet a Type I civilization. Some estimates suggest we are at about 0.7 on the Kardashev Scale, as we are still heavily reliant on fossil fuels and have not fully harnessed the power of renewable energy sources. However, the journey toward becoming a Type I civilization is already underway. Advances in renewable energy, space exploration, and global communication networks are laying the groundwork for this transition. The challenges are immense, ranging from technical and scientific hurdles to social and political obstacles, but the potential rewards are equally vast. As we continue to evolve and innovate, the Kardashev Scale serves as a powerful reminder of what lies ahead. It challenges us to think beyond our current limitations, to envision a future where humanity not only survives, but thrives on a planetary, stellar, and eventually galactic scale. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm. Comment what you want us to talk about in our next video, and stay tuned for more explorations into the mysteries of the universe.